Hey lovely loves! Today I'm going to be doing a really quick Colourpop haul. I just got the package in the mail maybe like an hour ago or less than an hour, and this video wasn't planned at all. I was thinking of filming this tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, but then I was like, you know what? I'm a little impatient and I want to open it up already and I want to play with my goodies already. That didn't sound right. I want to play with my new makeup already, so I figured I would just sit down and do it now. I had no makeup on. I threw on some really basic makeup. Hair. Just really simple makeup. I didn't have time to do my hair. I just let it down so it wouldn't look like such a hot mess. And here I am filming this. I also wanted to film this because I haven't done a Colourpop haul on my channel in a really long time, and I love Colourpop and I really like their products. I have a bunch of their liquid lipstick. I really love their lip products, and I have some of their palettes which I really love as well. They came out with a new collection recently and I couldn't resist, so I ended up getting a few things from the new collection. I'm gonna open this up and I'll show you guys everything that I got. Also, the package looks it looks like it was kind of crushed a little bit, so I'm hoping, really hoping that nothing is damaged in here, so crossing my fingers. Hopefully everything is okay and in one piece. I've seen girls post some of their packages getting messed up before, and luckily that's never really happened to me, but there's always a first, so we'll see. So here's the box, and it looks like it has a lot of bubble wrap, so I'm hoping that nothing is damaged. So I just got all the bubble wrap out of the way. So the first is the little note that they always send. So it says Colourpop, and then on the back it says you're my bestie, but best tea, like tea. And then it has this little drawing. So cute, I love it. Here's everything that I got. I'm so excited, I don't know where to start. So I'm going to start off with the lip products that I got. I only got 3, so these should be really quick. From their new collection, I got 2 of the lippy sticks, and the shades that I got are Ink Blot and Little Tings, like that ting right there. So I'm going to swatch Little Tings first. And I really like their lippy sticks. I think that's one of the first things that I got from them when I first started buying Colourpop. So this is what the lippy sticks looks like. It has a little new design on the top. This is the shade right here, and this one is Little Tings. It's like a mauve-y pink, or like a bubblegum pink actually, now that I swatch it. There's that one. It feels really creamy and smooth. It looks kind of moisturizing too. So that's Little Tings. Here is the next one. This one is called Ink Blot. And this one's like a pretty nude color. Of course I had to get a nude. I love nude lipsticks. So there's Ink Blot underneath Little Tings. And the last lip product that I got is this liquid lipstick, and this one is from the I Love Sarai collection. It's, I think, her second collection. This is actually a lip gloss. It's the one that they came out with the second time that they had their collection together, and this one is called Atole, which if you guys are Hispanic, you guys know what Atole is. So I'm gonna swatch that one. Ooh, I really loved the first lip gloss that they came out with in the I Love Sarai collection. It was called, I don't remember what it was called right now, but I really love that lip gloss, and then I lost it. I can't find it anywhere. I was gonna get that one again, but then I saw they had the new one in her recent collection, so I decided to get that one instead. It looks pretty, but it looks more golden than I thought it would. I thought it was gonna be more pinky nude, but it looks more golden, if that makes sense. But I'm going to try it out on my lips one of these days and see how I feel about it. And if I don't like it on, then I'm probably just gonna end up giving it away and getting the other one that I like. Next up, I got some of their new Super Shock shadow. These are from the new collection that they just came out with, the Butterfly collection. So I got 5 of these. I'm going to try to swatch them all kind of quickly because I don't want this video to be super long. I rarely ever get like single shadows or any other super shock shadows because I don't know, it's just kind of hard for me to like store these. So I prefer palettes, which are easier to just put away and everything's in one spot. But I saw swatches of these colors and they're so pretty, so I'm excited to try these out. And I got kind of bright colors for springtime and summer. Here's the first one. This one is called Bumblebee. Just swatch it right here. So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's such a pretty color. They're super smooth and buttery when you like rub them on there. So nice. Look at that. This next one is called Goodbye Butterfly. So pretty. This one's like a peach color. So pretty. This one is called Ripple. Ooh, this one's so nice. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at that. That one's like iridescent. So pretty. This one is called Race You. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at the glitter in those. So Race You has like some gold glitter in it and it's a nice pink. These are so pretty. I can't. I can't even. This is the last one and it's called EXO. EXO. Like, isn't there a K-pop group called that? I'm pretty sure there's a K-pop group called that. Ooh, pretty. There it is. That's EXO down here. They're all so beautiful. Can't wait to use all of these. Look at that purple though. So nice. Just finished wiping off the swatches and I only have a few things left to show you guys. So the next thing is this pressed powder highlighter. I've never tried any of their pressed highlighters, so that's why I wanted to try one. And this one is from their holiday 2017 collection and I really like the packaging. I really like the color. I don't have anything that looks like this packaging wise. I didn't try anything from their holiday collection. I'm pretty sure the shade that I got is called Taffy, but it doesn't say it anywhere in the packaging or the box, which is kind of weird, but I'm pretty sure it's Taffy. Oh no, this one looks like it kind of got messy a little bit, but it didn't break, so that's good. I'm going to swatch it really quickly, and what I like about it is that it's like a peach tone highlighter and I don't really have many of those, so I decided to try something new, see if I like it. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Okay, so there's what it looks like. I'm not sure how I feel about it. It's definitely not as in your face as most other highlighters, so it's kind of like a natural looking highlight, but it's pretty. And I'm going to give it a try on my face and then see how I like it. Not right now because I'm already wearing highlight, but maybe in a future video or like the next time I go out and do my makeup. Here is the last thing that I got, and this is also from their new butterfly collection. I got their highlighting cheek duo. This one is called Clockwork. They had 2 other ones, but I'm not sure what the names of those were. It doesn't have a mirror, but I don't really mind. It comes with 2 shades. One's a blush and one is a highlight. It kind of looks like the Taffy highlighter, but I guess we'll see in the swatch right now. So I'm going to swatch these real quick and compare it since I still have the Taffy one on here. The top one is the Taffy highlighter, and then the other 2 are the lip and cheek duo. It does look really similar, but I think I do like the highlighter cheek and highlight duo, whatever. I think I like the highlighter in the blush and highlight duo better. I don't know how I feel about the blush though. Like, if you guys can see that, the blush didn't really impress me. I just thought it was gonna look different, a lot brighter, and it's not that bright, but they're supposed to go together, so we'll see. But that highlight, it's looking really nice. maybe I'll try to do a get ready with me using all of these new products that I just got from Colourpop. Let me know if you guys want to see that. I haven't done a get ready with me in a long time, so leave it in the comments if you guys want to see a get ready with me video using some new products, or maybe like a drugstore makeup only get ready with me. I'm having all these ideas for new videos and I just don't have like the time that I wish I had to do it all. Anyways, that's everything that I got from Colourpop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please, please, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Gotta get a thumbnail.